Hi everyone, Richard Evans here, facilitator and organizer of AME's 2 Second Lean Tour Series. I want to tell you today about a good friend of mine, Alex Ramirez. I've known a lot of lean leaders over the last 30 to 40 years, and Alex is one of the best, the very, very best. How do I know this? Well, looking at my last 55 years in manufacturing, and I've met a lot of people who think they were leaders, but they were actually bosses. Alex has shown tremendous amount of humility. He's shown great leadership. He's very, very good with people, and he listens a lot, which is absolutely great. He sees everything that people do and looks at them from a way where he can help them and improve everything they do in their everyday life, not only in the businesses that he's run, but also in his personal life as well and their personal life. I would definitely recommend Alex to help you out with any particular issue that you have with problems in your business or your personal life, and Alex will help you improve, no doubt about it. Thanks so much, everyone.